Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, then welcome to my channel. I am Prerna. Recently I had uploaded few videos on reviewing and giving demo of few foundations, and after that many people reached out to me asking which foundation shade would suit them. It's a very common and confusing problem faced by most of the people. So I decided to make a video on how to find out your undertones and which foundation shade would suit you according to your skin complexion. So I'll try my best to solve this confusion today. And since Maybelline Fit Me foundation is a most affordable and go-to foundation, I decided to decode all the shades of Maybelline Fit Me foundation and tell you guys which shade would suit which complexion and which undertones. So without wasting much time, let's begin. And before I start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. So let's begin. First step is to know in which category you fall, very fair, medium or deep. Second step is to know your undertone. Irrespective of whatever skin shade you are, there is always an undertone to your skin, either warm, cool or neutral mostly. It's kind of very simple to know your undertone. First step is to check your wrist veins very carefully. If you have green veins, then you are falling in the warm category. If you have purple or blue veins, then you are cool undertone. And if you have green and blue both, then you fall in neutral category. Another option is a jewelry test. You should find out which jewelry looks the best on you, silver or gold. If silver looks good on you, then you are cool undertone. If gold looks good on you, then you are warm undertone. And if both looks attractive on you, then you fall in the neutral category, which is little bit rare. Like as you guys can see in the pictures, Deepika is warm undertone and Karina is cool undertone, as silver looks really attractive on her and gold looks good on Deepika. I am attaching few more pictures for more clarity. As you guys can see, warm undertone people always have yellow or golden tones to their skin, and cool undertones, as you guys can see, have pinkish or silverish tones to their skin. So this is all about undertones. Now coming to the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. They have 18 different shades available in India, for very fair to fair, then light to whitish, then light to medium, and then medium dusky to deep. The undertones of each foundation are not mentioned in their names, but there is foundation for each undertones and each complexion in this foundation range. Like for fair to whitish people, they can choose foundation from 115 to 130 according to their undertones. Next category is for light to medium. These are people who are little bit darker than the light or fair people. They can choose a foundation shade from 220 to 310. And the final category is for dark to deep skin tones. They can choose foundation from 320 to 340. Now I'm going to tell you guys which foundation shade would suit which undertone. So let's start with the first shade. So first, very fair people with cool undertones can use 115 ivory. Fair people with neutral undertones can use 118 light beige. People who are slightly darker than fair people are called whitish people. Whitish people with yellow undertones or warm undertones can use 120 classic ivory. Whitish people with neutral undertones can use 125 nude beige. Whitish people with strong warm or golden undertones can use 128 warm nude. And whitish people with cool undertones can use 130 buff beige. Now let's talk about the next category, that is medium to dusky skin tones. People who fall between whitish to medium skin tones with neutral undertones can use 220 natural beige. Medium skin tone people with warm undertones can use 230 natural buff. People with medium skin tones with cool undertones can use pure beige 235. Medium skin tones with warm undertones can use 238 rich tan. Now people who are just a shade deeper than the medium skin tones with warm undertone can use 310 sun beige. Now people with same complexion but with neutral undertones can use 320 natural tan. Now coming to the dusky category, people with warm undertones can use 322 warm honey. Dusky skin tones with yellow undertones can use 330 toffee caramel. Same people can also use 332 golden caramel. Now coming to deep people with neutral undertones can use 335 classic 10. Deep people with neutral or cool undertones can use 338 spicy brown. Deep people with warm undertones can use 340 cappuccino. In this picture, as you guys can see, they have categorized the shades in cool, warm and neutral. Cool is from 115 to 338, the first line. The second line is neutral from 118 to 335, and the third and the fourth line represents the warm undertone shade. So hope you guys understood what I was actually trying to explain, and by now must have analyzed and found out what your actual foundation shade is. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want me to make any other video on any specific topic, then do comment down below and let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.